Hey, everyone! Welcome to Xelodigital, your ultimate destination for digital growth, passive income strategies, and creative marketing hacks that actually work. If you're someone who dreams of building an income stream from the comfort of your home, or you're already in the digital game looking to scale smarter, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is Xelodigital? We're a digital brand that teaches content creators, marketers, and solopreneurs like you how to leverage platforms like Pinterest, Amazon, Threads, and more to grow your audience and income. Whether it's through viral thread marketing, visual branding, or affiliate marketing, we're here to guide you step by step. Now, let's talk about Amazon affiliate marketing, one of the easiest and most underrated ways to start earning passive income. If you're new to this, here's how it works. You sign up for the Amazon Associates program. It's free. You get unique affiliate links for any product sold on Amazon. You promote those links on platforms like Pinterest. Here's why it works. Pins live forever, unlike Instagram stories or tweets. A single viral pin can generate traffic for months or even years. And the best part? You don't even have to show your face. You can run a faceless Pinterest account with just beautiful, high-quality pins linked to your Amazon products. Here's a simple 5-step strategy you can follow today. 1. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program. 2. Pick a niche like kitchen gadgets, books, tech accessories, home decor. 3. Create Pinterest boards that match your niche. 4. Use Canva to design aesthetic pins that drive clicks. 5. Paste your Amazon affiliate link in the pin URL and watch the clicks roll in. Pro tip: always use a URL shortener like bit.ly or a landing page to track your link performance. And don't worry, I'll be uploading full tutorials on how to do each of these steps in detail right here on Xelodigital.